there, this is Health and Yum, where we sprinkle nutrition and health tips in every recipe. My name is Alina, and today we are making a delicious and brain-boosting chicken Caesar salad with crisp lettuce, crunchy croutons, and flavorful chicken. Alright, let the tasty adventure begin. We start by making the dressing in a mason jar. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 3 tablespoons mayo, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, a 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 garlic clove, a 1/4 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, a 1/3 cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and a 1/2 cup of olive oil. Put the lid on and add, of course, your best dance moves. Lettuce is beneficial for brain health as it contains antioxidants that protect against damage, vitamin K for cognitive function, and folate for brain development. Its high water content promotes hydration, making it a healthy choice for overall well-being and brain function. If you'd like to meal prep, you could divide the salad into mason jars and pop them in the fridge for a few days. Just remember to keep the dressing separate and drizzle it over the salad when you are ready to dig in. The dressing will stay fresh and flavorful for an entire week if stored in an airtight container in the fridge. This delicious Caesar salad makes 4 servings, so you can enjoy it during 4 consecutive lunches, or fewer if you share it with your loved ones. I love to include olive oil in my Caesar salad. It not only adds a delightful flavor, but also provides brain-boosting benefits thanks to its monounsaturated fats, small amount of omega-3s, and antioxidants. It's a win-win for the taste buds and for the gray matter. If you are not in the mood for meal prepping and just want to devour the salad immediately, simply toss all the ingredients into a big bowl and give it a good mix until everything is nicely combined. I never tasted Caesar salad until I moved to Canada from Romania. It was quite a revelation. I absolutely love the tangy dressing paired with a crisp lettuce. However, when I read the ingredients on the store-bought dressing bottle, I wasn't exactly thrilled. So I set out to make my own dressing, and I think this is a pretty good one, as my family and friends all gave it a thumbs up. If you'd like to add more nutrition to this salad, which I always love to do, consider adding a generous serving of cooked quinoa. Do you usually include quinoa in your salads? Quinoa is rich in carbohydrates that fuel the brain, and it's also packed with essential vitamins and minerals that provide incredible brain-boosting benefits. Being a complete protein, quinoa helps in memory retention and learning, while its fiber content ensures a steady supply of energy. Consider quinoa as the brain's trusty sidekick, helping us stay sharp and preventing any brain fumbles during the day. If you like this recipe, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video where we make another brain-healthy recipe, a fresh and nourishing kale salad that I guarantee you'll love.